Today, I'll show you how to restart Bluehost by resetting your WordPress site in a clean and simple way using a plugin inside your WordPress dashboard. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to safely reset your site back to its default state without needing any complicated technical steps. Let's start from your Bluehost account. First, log into your Bluehost dashboard the way you normally do. Once you're in, you'll see a list of your websites or a main sites section, depending on how your account is set up. From there, look for the WordPress site you want to restart. This step is important if you manage more than one website, so double check that you're selecting the correct one, especially if you don't want to accidentally reset the wrong site. Click on that WordPress site to open its management area. You should see an option to log into the WordPress dashboard, often labeled something like Log into WordPress or Edit Site. Use that to go directly into the WordPress admin area for this specific site. That dashboard is where we'll do the actual reset. Once you're inside the WordPress dashboard, we'll install a plugin called WP Reset. This plugin is designed specifically for resetting WordPress sites safely and quickly. On the left-hand side of your WordPress dashboard, hover over the plugins menu and click on Add New. In the search bar at the top right, type WP Reset. Wait a moment for the results to load, then look for the plugin named WP Reset. There may be similar options, so make sure you pick the one with that exact name and good reviews. Click the Install button next to WP Reset. After installation finishes, that same button will change to Activate. Go ahead and click Activate. Once it's activated, the plugin is ready to use, and you'll see a new option in your WordPress Tools section. Now, look over to the left-hand menu again, find Tools, and then click on it. In the Tools submenu, you should see an option labeled Site Reset that WP Reset has added. Click on Site Reset to open the reset settings page. Before you confirm anything here, take a second to understand what this does. Using Site Reset will bring your WordPress site back to a fresh, default state. That usually means your posts, pages, and custom settings will be removed and the site will look like a new installation. If there is anything you want to keep, such as important content or media, it's a good idea to create a backup first. Many hosting providers and plugins can handle backups, so consider doing that if you're unsure. On the site reset page, read through the description and warnings carefully. The plugin will usually ask you to type a specific word, like reset, into a confirmation field before it lets you proceed. This is there to prevent accidental clicks. When you're absolutely certain you want to restart your site, type the confirmation word exactly as instructed and then click the button to perform the reset. The process should only take a few moments. When it's done, your WordPress site will reload and appear as a clean, default installation, just like a brand new site. At this point, you've effectively restarted your Bluehost WordPress site using WP Reset. From here, you can start fresh with a new design, new plugins, and new content without the clutter or issues from your previous setup.